What's going on YouTube? Will here with Save Pro Designs, and today I'm going to be taking you through buildernow.net, which is our website building platform. We use it for small businesses, new businesses, any business that's looking for a quick, simple, easy to manage and create website. They're just basically looking for an informational site to get on the internet so people can find them. We primarily target contractors. As you can see, this is a construction landing page. Primarily try to get this up for any business that just wants something done quick, that they don't have to mess around with going back and forth with the designer, something to take a couple weeks or a month. This literally can be online in 5 minutes in 3 simple steps, and I'm going to show you how exactly we do that. So first things first, there's a link in the description below on how to get to this landing page, and then we will go ahead and fill out the information required. So we'll go ahead and fill out our sample information and then hit that get started button. So from here, it's going to take you over to the domain selection. If you already have a domain, that's perfectly fine. We can transfer that over to point to our servers for your hosting. If you do not have a domain, we'll definitely secure that for you. So for example, we're going to just type in willsconstructioncompany.com. Go ahead and go to the next step. And from here, it's going to ask us some questions regarding our business. So we'll put in Will's Construction Company. Like I said, this can be used for many different industries. So this is our list of the business industries, but obviously, since we were on the construction lander, it already had construction pre-filled for us, so we don't need to change that. Then we go down to our accent color. We can select any color that is on this slider here. So we'll go ahead and go with this nice yellow gold, pretty standard construction light color. Over here, years in business or the industry, we're going to go ahead and say 15. We've been in business 15 years, or in the industry for that long at least. What do we specialize in? So we're a construction company, so we specialize in construction. And then last thing it asks us is 3 services separated by commas. So we just for simple purposes, we'll go ahead and go with roofing, siding, framing for our construction company. That's what we do here. And last step, this is just your personal information. If you have a business address, business phone number, business email, and then you need your first and last name. All that's actually required is the first, last name, and email address. We don't even require a phone number or address. So we're just going to go ahead and put in our name and email, and go ahead and click finish. And from here, you can see that it builds us a nice little preview here on the left with our construction company. Puts in all of our services that we filled out: roofing, siding, and framing. Gives us a little about information with our services, how many years we've been in business, to go ahead and get in contact with us. There is an extra features. Obviously, you can go ahead and edit your preview. From here, you're actually able to change your welcome and about paragraphs. You're actually able to change these icons to be something more fitting for roofing, maybe a house. You could type in, you could actually search the icon. So we're going to change that to a house, maybe. You're able to upload your own logo, and then that banner that comes across the construction banner, you can upload your own banner. Then you're also able to upload gallery images, 12 photos of your own personal work that you can add on there as well. That'll show up on the gallery. Go ahead and click the submit changes button, and you will see those changes live. As we just changed that icon to the house, you'll see that here. And any other changes that you would like to make, you would also be able to see those directly right there. there is a contact form, which is why we need the email address when you sign up, because anytime anybody goes to your site, and they fill out this, that message will go directly to your email address. And then that is pretty much it. Your website is ready to go. So like I said, 5 minutes, and all we have to do now is come over to this right hand side, fill out your password, make sure that domain name is correct, select your payment option. We simply charge $20 a month, no hidden fees. That's just the maintenance to have the site hosted online on the internet, your domain name secured, and any support needed. So for example, if there's something you're unable to edit, or if you just don't have the time and say, hey Will, I got these 5 new projects photos, I'm going to email over to the support email address, can you please put them up for me? We take care of that, no questions asked. And then also we have, like I said, $20 per month, or if you want to pay annually, we can save you $40. You pay $200 for the year and you're all set. So you just go ahead and select that option, put in your credit card information, hit that checkout button, and if that domain is available for you, if it's not owned by you or somebody else, then we go ahead, secure that domain, and put the website up for you. And it is instantaneous, takes about 3 to 5 minutes for our automated system to put that site up for you. If the domain name is taken, or if it's owned by you, we'll definitely get in contact with you on how to point that to us, or to select a new domain if it's not one that you own and it's taken. But like I said, that's a pretty simple process as well. We just have to point the domain name to our server. That also takes about 5 to 10 minutes once we send you the instructions, and then just got to go in and type in our IP address, change that over, and we are good to go. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comments below. Reach out to us. This is our support email, and we'll be more than happy to assist, and look forward to working with many contractors and other businesses. Even if you're watching this and you're not even in the construction industry, we work with a ton of different businesses throughout the United States that have already signed up here. So looking forward to it, and we will see you on the next video.